All right, quick question. Have you ever asked ChatGPT to write an email, debug your R code, or develop a secret recipes? Congrats. You've already used a large language model, aka an LLM. But what is that exactly? And no, it's not just a really polite robot with Wi-Fi. An LLM is a kind of AI that's been trained on basically the entire internet. Books, articles, Wikipedia pages, song lyrics, Reddit rants, Shakespeare, fan fiction, you name it. Its goal? Learn how humans use language and get really, really good at predicting what comes next in a sentence. But here's where the magic, well, math happens. Most modern LLMs run on something called a transformer model. No explosions, no giant robots, just a clever way of processing language. The transformer uses self-attention, which is a fancy way of saying, I'm going to look at every word in the sentence at once and figure out what actually matters. So if you write, the CEO, who nobody expected to quit, resigned, the model knows to connect CEO with resigned, not nobody with CEO. This lets LLMs handle nuance, long sentences, and weird grammar better than previous models that had to read text one word at a time, like an 8-bit text game from the 90s. In data analytics, this is kind of a big deal. LLMs can clean up messy text, summarize datasets, write code, classify texts, and analyze sentiment without you needing to build a custom model from scratch. They're like having a very fast, mostly helpful intern who occasionally makes things up with total confidence. And yes, that's the trade-off. LLMs are trained to sound right, not always be right. They don't understand the world. They understand patterns in language. So while they're great at helping you get started or speed up your work, they still need a human brain, you, to keep things grounded. And also, they may replicate patterns in human language, the kind of patterns that might lead to biases, inequality, and harms down the road. So, think of LLMs as a powerful assistant, not perfect, not magical, but when paired with your own analytic skills, a serious upgrade. Okay. Can I tell you a little secret? I myself is an AI agent powered entirely by a large language model. The introduction I just gave is mostly composed by the LLM with some help from Professor Wayne, of course.